You don't need to show your face. You don't need a fancy camera. And you definitely don't need years of editing experience. Faceless YouTube automation is one of the most realistic ways to build a passive income stream online right now, and in this video, I'm walking you through the exact 5-step workflow I use to run channels without ever appearing on screen. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Pick a niche that works without a face. The first decision you need to make is your niche, and this is where most beginners go wrong right out of the gate. Not every topic works for faceless content. You want to choose a niche where the value comes from the information itself, the visuals, or the storytelling, rather than from a personal brand or on-screen personality. The best categories for faceless channels include personal finance, health and wellness, history, motivational and self-improvement content, tech tutorials, true crime, and listicle-style entertainment. Think about channels like How Money Works, Magnates Media, or Top Luxury. These channels pull millions of views consistently without a single face on camera. Your job is to find a niche with strong search volume, decent advertiser demand, and content that can realistically be produced using stock footage, screen recordings, or AI-generated visuals. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to validate your niche idea before you invest time and energy into it. You're looking for a topic with consistent monthly search interest, upward growth trends, and ideally a CPM cost per 1,000 views above $5, which signals advertisers value that audience. Avoid niches that are overly broad or already saturated unless you have a genuinely unique angle to cut through the noise. Step 2. Build a repeatable content pipeline with AI-assisted scripting once your niche is locked in. The next step is building a content pipeline, and this is the true engine of your automation system. A pipeline means you always have a bank of ideas and scripts ready to go, so you're never scrambling at the last minute. Start by brainstorming video topics in batches. Aim to generate 20 to 30 ideas at one sitting using a combination of keyword research and competitor analysis. Look at what's already working in your niche, and think about how you can create something better, more specific, or more engaging. Then move into scripting. AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude have changed the game here. You can produce a solid first draft in minutes. But here's the important part. Never publish AI output as is. You need to review, edit, and inject your own voice, unique data points, and original perspective into every script. That personal angle is what keeps viewers watching instead of clicking away. A good faceless YouTube script typically runs between 900 and 1,500 words for a 7 to 12-minute video. Always open with a powerful hook in the first 30 seconds that raises a question, challenges an assumption, or teases a surprising fact. Structure the middle with clear value-packed sections, and close with a direct call to action. Once you've written a few scripts, create a template. This makes every future script faster and more consistent. Step 3. Use text-to-speech or hire a voiceover artist. Voiceover is one of the most critical elements of a successful YouTube video because it serves as the primary connection between your content and your audience. No matter how good your visuals, editing, or script may be, a poor voiceover can cause viewers to lose interest and click away within seconds. On the other hand, a clear, engaging voice can keep people watching longer, increase trust, and improve the overall professionalism of your channel. When it comes to voiceovers, creators generally have two main options: AI-generated voices or human voice actors. AI text-to-speech technology has advanced dramatically in recent years. Platforms such as ElevenLabs, Murph AI, and PlayHT can now produce voices that sound surprisingly natural and human-like. These tools allow creators to generate voiceovers quickly, make edits instantly, and save significant amounts of money compared to hiring professional talent. For new YouTubers working with limited budgets, AI voiceovers can be an excellent starting point because they remove one of the biggest barriers to content creation. The second option is hiring a real human voice actor through freelance platforms such as Fiverr or Voice123. Human voices offer natural emotion, personality, and subtle vocal variations that AI still cannot fully replicate. A skilled narrator can make stories more engaging, explanations easier to follow, and emotional moments more impactful. This often leads to better viewer retention and higher watch times. If you are just starting out, Using AI voiceovers is a practical and cost-effective choice. As your channel grows and begins generating revenue, you can gradually invest in professional voice talent to further improve content quality. Most importantly, choose a voice that matches your niche. A calm, confident voice works well for finance, history, and documentary content, while a more energetic and enthusiastic style is ideal for entertainment and motivational videos. The right voice can significantly influence how long viewers stay engaged with your content. Step 4. Edit videos using stock footage and reusable templates. This is where everything comes together and your video actually takes shape. For faceless content, you'll pair your voiceover with stock footage, on-screen text, lower thirds, subtle background music, and smooth transitions. Footage sources like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks provide free and premium clips you can use commercially without copyright issues. For editing software, CapCut is the best starting point for beginners because it is free, has a clean interface, and includes pre-built templates you can customize. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful free option if you want more control. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard if you're willing to pay for a subscription. The single biggest time-saving move in your editing workflow is creating a reusable project template. Set your fonts, color palette, text animation styles, audio leveling preset, and transition preferences one time, then drop new footage and voiceover into that same template for every video. When you're first starting out, expect editing to take 2 to 4 hours. After 10 to 15 videos using the same template, you'll get that down to 45 minutes to an hour. And once you're generating consistent revenue, you can outsource editing entirely to a freelancer for as little as $20 to $40 per video. Step 5. Outsource. Schedule and scale your channel. This final step is what separates a hobby channel from a genuine automated business. Once your workflow is dialed in and your channel shows early traction, even something as simple as a few hundred consistent views per video and a growing subscriber count, it's time to start thinking about delegation. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or OnlineJobs.ph to bring on freelancers for the parts of your workflow that take the most time. For most creators, that's video editing. Start there. A reliable editor who understands your style is worth every dollar. As your channel grows, you can also outsource scripting, thumbnail design, SEO research, and even social media repurposing. Use a project management tool like Trello, Notion, or Airtable to organize your content calendar and communicate tasks clearly with your team. Build a simple system. Every week, new topics get assigned, scripts get drafted, voiceovers get recorded or generated, videos get edited and uploaded on schedule. When you're consistent with 2 to 3 uploads per week, the YouTube algorithm starts to reward you with more organic reach. The goal is to eventually work yourself out of the day-to-day production entirely, so you're only managing strategy and reviewing final outputs. That's when faceless YouTube automation truly becomes passive. Faceless YouTube automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most scalable and realistic online income models available today. The 5 steps we covered give you a complete working system. Choose the right niche, build a content pipeline, nail your voiceover, edit with reusable templates, and scale by outsourcing. The creators who succeed with this model are not the ones with the best equipment or the biggest starting budget. They're the ones who start fast, stay consistent, and improve with every video they publish. If you've been sitting on this idea, today is the day to take the first step. Pick your niche, open a doc, and write your first script. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. I drop new content on YouTube growth and online income every week. Got a question about your niche or setup? Drop it in the comments and I'll personally reply. See you in the next one.